Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Printful. So number one, I'd like you to understand how the wallet works. Printful wallet acts like an internal account. When you deposit money or get refunds, those funds live in your wallet until used for fulfillment. Remember that you can only withdraw the entire available balance, not a portion. Partial withdrawals aren't supported. Now log into Printful like I have done here and click on billing in the sidebar. So select more and select billing and takes you here. If you manage multiple currencies, you can pick the wallets with the fund you want to withdraw. Select Printful wallet under the billing menu. So if you manage multiple currencies, just go ahead and pick the wallet that you want to withdraw. I have not set up my Printful wallet, so there's literally nothing to show here. So yeah, so just pick the wallet with the funds that you want to withdraw. I have not set up, so you can just use the auto recharge. You can select any of those wallets and just set it up. Now once you set up your wallet, you find them here, so click withdraw. Click the withdraw tab at the top of that wallet view. Then check the confirmation box to acknowledge you're withdrawing the entire balance. Once you're done, hit withdraw. Now Printful will refund the full amount to your original payment method. I'd like you to note that funds are returned via your original method, that's credit card or PayPal, and typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days. Withdrawn funds are permanent. Once processed, you can't reverse the transaction. And that's how you withdraw with Printful wallet funds. Quick, clean, and easy. Your money is headed back to your card or PayPal in just a few days. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you begin to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.